This is the Concord BART station garage. This looks completely identical to the Walnut Creek BART station garage. Probably really fast US elevators. Yeah, they're literally identical. Whoa. Oh, there's a train. It's a new one. Wow. These things are crazy fast. Oh, this one's broken. Nice. Okay, well, should have noticed that before I let the other one go. I always find it interesting how these have floor passing chimes outside. Love EPCO chimes. The other one's right here. Oh, wow. I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah, you can tell. Look at how far above the floor it is. Damn. Man, these things really just make your stomach drop.